Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In the last video, I explained to you about how can I use index and match both together. So today I will be explaining you. Video is about how can I use index and match with name range. So let us see a sample data. You can download this sample data from my description. Now this is my data. We have given you some months over here, January, February, March to June, and that is my stock, all this products, and this is how much sale that particular product has done that I've given over here. So I don't want to type it over here, product. I don't want to type the product shoes. I don't want to type the date here, that is Jan Feb. So I want to use as a data validation. So before I use my data validation, this topic that I want to do is instead of typing, I will be giving a name range also. So for that, what you must do first to select this month, that is Jan, Feb, March. I select this part. Click over here. This is called as your name box. Click. You can just give some name here. I'm giving a name called as my dates. So I'll just write here my dates. It doesn't accept space, so you have to give it together. My dates. Enter. The similar thing I have to do for this product also. Select this product. Click over here and just give some name. I'm just giving a name called as product. PROD. Enter. Don't forget to press enter. If you don't press enter, it will not get accepted. You can keep a cell pointer here. I'll use my data validation for product and date. Keep your cell pointer on product. Click on data option. Click on this icon. This icon is your data validation. Click on settings, and this option called as allow. You say list. So when it's asking you now, this is for your product. So you just select this product of yours by dragging by mouse. So when you drag this product of yours, earlier what it should happen is it should tell you the range, that is that C12 till F12. But now the range is not coming because I've given a name range. So you can see product is come, the name equal to product. You can type also equal to product. Okay. So you get your product over here. See. So whichever product you click, then here I want the date. So keep your cell pointer here. Again click on date. Data option. Click on this icon. Data validation settings. List. Then here this is what date. I've given the name called as my dates. You can type it also if you want. Equal to my dates. You can type it or you can drag it this month. And if I say OK, so I should get the month over here. See. So now at the moment I'm setting stocks and date is that is month is April. So how much sale was done in that particular month and in that particular product? That result should be shown over here. So again, I will be using my index and match formula. I've written here equal to index bracket open C13 C13, that is this full table you have to set your data. That is from C13 to F18, only your data, not your month and not your product. That has not to be selected. Comma, match, bracket open, and then click on C10, that is your product. Sorry, your month, because your first is your month, no? So that's why you select C10, comma, and then you again select this part, that is your month, just drag it. That is when you drag this entire thing over here, you can see that my name is coming up, my dates. Okay, comma 0. 0 stands for exact match, bracket close. So this is for your date ke liye, that is your month ke liye. So now I have to take for your product also. So now again you say comma here, again you write match, bracket open. Now you click on your product, that is B10, comma, select this full top part, that is this product of yours. So when you select this product, it will say product, that name I've given as product, name range, comma 0, 2 times bracket close because 2 times are opened over here, that's why. So once you're done this much, you can press enter. So as you can see, stocks, yeah. April month it is telling you, so April month it is 45. If I try to change any other product of yours, if I select shoes, instead of April, if I say Jan, it tells me 768. So this is how you can use this option of yours called as index and match with the name range and also with your data validation. So if you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.